Let's now have a look at SumUp Invoices. In this video, we're going to check our smart invoicing feature. With it, our merchants can create in a couple of clicks professional looking and compliant invoices. And most importantly, they can get paid fast through our integrated online payment solution. Let's now open the SumUp Super app. As you can see, Invoices is already available on the dashboard. Indeed, once a merchant creates an account with SumUp, they will right away have access to the invoicing solution. Let's click on Invoices. Here we have an invoicing dashboard where at a glance we can see whether there are any overdue invoices we need to pay attention to, or to quickly check how our business is doing over the past few months. Let's now create a new invoice. Add a customer. As you can see, we already have pre-saved customers. Let's now add an item. Adding an item is also very easy as it's already pre-saved and connected to the SumUp catalog. Let's add quantity. And we're done. Let's make sure to check what our invoice is looking like and make sure everything is fine. Once we're satisfied, we can continue and send the invoice to our customer. Here we will make sure to add payment reminders to avoid having to chase ourselves late payments. Let's send an invoice, and the invoice is sent. Now, let's put ourselves in the shoes of the end customer. The end customer, as you see, just received their invoice. When they open the invoice, they have a summary of the amount, and then they can decide to pay for the invoice. As you can see on the top of the screen as well, we've just received a notification from SumUp. Indeed, as soon as an invoice is viewed, paid, or overdue, merchants are notified about it instantly. Let's now continue and pay the invoice we just received. To pay the invoice, we have two possibilities. We can either pay through the credit card, this is the online payment, or we can also select bank transfers and transfer the money via a bank by easily selecting the bank detail information here. Let's consider that we decided to pay the customer with a card, fill out the information, and we're done. Let's now go back to the invoicing dashboard. As we can see here, there is a history of all our invoices. We can very easily know whether an invoice is paid or only in the status of viewed. This allows us to easily keep track of them. And that's it. We've just created a compliant invoice in less than a minute. There's also the possibility of creating quotes and recurring invoices and even credit notes, all that from the web application.